Well, here in Joshua Tree National Park, 20th of March 2023, heading up to the Desert Queen Mine. Seems like a lot of other people are here in the parking lot, and I had to park down at the other end. It looks like another big group of campers, so I better get started on the old trail here up here. A little cooler up here. I have another jacket I can put on here, but I'm going to try to keep ahead of these people. There was nobody here when I started out, but it says mine closed, but that's okay. Entering the mines. Well, we're not. Okay, I'm going to move up here. Well, it is a little breezy. I guess I got the sponge cover on the GoPro. Hopefully that'll cut down some of the wind noise. But not much sun here now. So that's why it's a little cooler. I am a little cool, but I figure by the time I'm walking, I'll work up a sweat. Eating some beef jerky along the way here. Give myself a little bit of energy, and I missed the road coming up, so I actually had to backtrack. I thought there'd be nobody here, but the little tiny parking lot was full, and I had to go down the road to another parking lot, and I was the only car there. It's only a short distance, but then two other cars pulled in, and one of them has a big family with kids, and so they'll be walking up the trail making noise and stuff. So I wanted to get a head start. And it did have a bathroom here, which was a nice thing. Road's a little rocky here. Can't see the screen because it's a little sunny, but like I said, cooler here. Back in town, it was actually pretty warm this morning, but I guess it's a half mile. Maybe it's a half mile one way, half mile the other way, but as soon as I come up a little hill, I get all the wind. Okay, I'm going to eat another piece of beef jerky now here. Oh, well, let's see what's up here first. A little vista here maybe. I'm glad I got the long pants on. Ooh, a little downhill, I like that. Well, now it's a little more rocky going downhill, which means I have to come uphill coming back. Still not much sun. A little bit trying to creep through. Here's something from the old mine, and whatever placard was on there, it's gone, so don't have the placard there anymore. And I'm going to go down here and see what this is. The guide said there's all kind of old stuff along the trail, but I don't see any yet, except that one round thing there. And I gotta watch my step here so I don't do a pratfall and get injured along the trail here. All right, watch my step. Picking them up, putting them down. Here's a little overlook here. Let's see what we can see here. Oh, nice picture of the valley. So, here it is. There's a little valley, a little wash down there, maybe when it rains. And looks like old tailings. Those are the mine holes you can see that are closed off over there, where they had the tailings from it. And I wish they had better markings on this trail here. So I'm not going to be going down there on those rocks because there'll be another climb coming up. But yeah, looks pretty neat. And there's the distance out there. I don't know what they mined here, but I'm going to go back up and take that other little turn off up there and see where that takes me. But didn't see much of the old mine stuff here. Well, here's another trail here. But like I said, you know, down the bottom of the hill here. And I don't know if I want to go all the way down there or not. because it's a little bit of a steep climb coming back, so it's okay. All right, let's head back up here. Okay, here. No critters here. I don't see any critters here. So, all right, let's turn the camera off. Met some visitors along the trail. There they are. They're going to wave. Damn one-man travel. All right.
Yeah.
We're at Joshua Tree National Park. Where you folks live around here?
We're from Maryland.
Oh, Maryland. I'm from New Jersey.
Oh,
so
yeah.
I flew out here just to walk around the park here and see. So
we're on a spring break from
okay.
college, so.
Okay. Well, we got this little offshoot here. Looks like some old ruins of the buildings here. Come down and inspect that. It's not too much of a walk here. Oh, look at all these rocks here. Too cold for snakes to be out today, or I would hope so. Yeah, looks like this was maybe built up here recently. I don't know here. So here's this one here. Something. We'll go in the house here. Hello, anybody home? Nope, nobody home here. They made themselves a little thing. Oh, there's an entrance there. Looks like an old bed. I don't know if it ever had a roof. The wind making my eyes water and my nose run, so sorry about that. This looks like maybe there could have been a little stove in there. I don't know. But then it would heat the rocks and maybe crack them. A lot of nooks and crannies in there. Same thing over here. Maybe for critters to hide. But yeah, got this little thing here. Maybe this was for the mine people. There's some mortar in there, in between there. So we'll walk around, look at the other side of this little thing. And I'll put what this is called in the video so you can see it here. All right, we come around to the entrance. Oh, main entrance. There's another trail that goes down here. Not too much marked here though. Well, there's the entrance there. Yeah. Come up here. Take a look. Little cactus trying to grow down there. All right. Well, you got a beam in here. People put their names on it. So there's the old bed. You gotta watch thorns around here. All the bushes have thorns. So nice little spot here. We'll come out here. You can do this trail. There's a lot of little offshoot trails here, but where they go, I don't know. I think I might take this one down a little bit here, see how I do. Well, I don't know what else is going to be down there, but I'm going to be getting further down in the valley, and the wind's picking up, getting cooler, and we go back up here. So let me concentrate on my walking here now. All right. Well, back up here in the wind, I see this nice little cactus. This one looks really nice. So we're gonna come in for a close-up view. And yeah, look at this one. This is very nice. Very nice there. Nice cactus. In really good shape. All kind of spiny things on it. All right. Okay. Well, the wind is really picking up here. I don't know how the sponge is doing to cut down on the wind noise, but it's supposed to be gusting up to 35 miles per hour today. So feels chilly and cool. Little bits of sun coming out. Heading back to the parking lot. Maybe going to find another trail then. Alrighty. Now this is something like Pine Valley Road. I don't want to do all of that. There's Desert Creek. Maybe I walked up this trail here. Oh yeah, that's where I walked, right up there, which was a short walk. This Pine City Trail is this one, which is one-way distance, and it's 120 feet or something. And then there's the Desert Queen mine. It goes down this way, and you could come back and go in here. So I don't know if I want to do this one or not. I might try the Desert Queen one and go down here maybe. We'll see here. but that's it. That's where I am. Well, here's a sign up here. Lucky Boy Vista, Pine City was in back of me. Already did the Desert Queen Mine, and the Lucky Boy Loop is this one here. I'm not going to do all that. I'm going to go down part way and then come back here, because that's 1.7. That's like 3 or 4 miles. So I don't think I'm ready for that yet today here. Well, having a little snack here by the car. Got my jerky here. Checking out the map. This is the map here that I can't hold the camera and point to the map at the same time. Sorry, but you'll see somebody hand wrote Desert Queen Mine, and I did that trail. Now I'm going to start heading back. Maybe try to see what that sheep pass thing is down there. All right. Well, now I'm driving back. This is a dirt road. It's in good shape here. Good shape. All your rental cars will work fine on this road. Going back to the paved road, and I was wondering if I had taken the right road, because initially I actually drove past this, and there's a gate that was open, and I guess when it's closed there's signs there that says road closed, but since the gate was open, I figured, well, it's open, and everybody else did too. So there were a number of people up at the end and back of me, and there's another spot down here, 1 or 2 spots you can pull off to do some more hiking, and people on bikes. A lot of people on bikes. I guess I like those dirt bikes or whatever. Here's another person down here. But all right, better get back on the road. Oh, these are a lot of campsites along this little dirt trail. They all have bathrooms close by here. I mean, not showers, just regular bathrooms to do your business. And yeah, they're quite nice campsites. Each one of them has a dumpster, has a designated place where you can make a fire, and nice rocks in the background, so at nighttime you can sit by, have your fire and cooking your food. There's some people in a tent down here. So I'm just driving through. I thought there'd be a trail to walk, and there might be in here, but they've got some of their camp stuff out there, a fire pit and a lantern, and yeah, it looks pretty nice. You look out the side here, and you can see all those boulders up there. I'm looking through the window of my car. I see some more campers over there. It's chilly outside. I'm going to get all the wind in here if I open it up. So, all right, back on the main drag, or almost here.